This tutorial review will show you how to invite the Midjourney Discord bot to your Discord server. So first of all, open your browser and open discord.com/invite/Midjourney and click on accept invite, and this is the Midjourney official server. To add the Midjourney bot to your Discord server, first of all, you have to join the Midjourney server. Click on accept invite. Once you join to the Midjourney official server, go to the announcements and inside of user list you will find the Midjourney bot. So click on Midjourney bot, add to server, and select your server where you want to add the Midjourney bot, and ensure that you are human. And as you can see, the Midjourney bot has been successfully added to my server. So this was the only way to add Midjourney Discord bot to your server. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.